What's up, everyone? This is Crown Dodge and Chrysler in Ventura. Today, we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2020 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L. It's got the granite crystal exterior with black leather interior. It comes in at 40,097 miles, is a one-owner, clean CarFax with no accidents. It's outfitted with the 3.6-liter V6 engine that gets 287 horsepower, 19 mpg in the city, 28 mpg on the highway. It's got alloy rims, power liftgate, power sliding doors, third row seating that fits 7 passengers, blind spot and rear cross path detection, touchscreen display, backup camera, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, Bluetooth, and more. If you like what you see, call, direct message us, or visit our website for pricing and more details. Again, this is Crown Dodge and Chrysler in Ventura, and you just took a look at a used 2020 certified pre-owned Chrysler Pacifica Touring L.